Good morning, Dr. Ashikin and my fellow friends. My name is Talachumi Inbaraju. Today I am going to present about enzyme activity in baking process. Let's see. Enzyme activity. Enzyme is a protein catalyst that makes chemical changes in biological system. Enzyme act as a dough conditioners, fermentation enhancers, and anti-staling agents. Enzyme produced by fermentation for specific activities uses by purification, conditioning, and standardization. Enzyme used to convert the raw material into the main product or used as additive to alter a functional characteristics of the product. The types of enzyme we discussed today: amylase, protease, lipase, lipooxygenase, transglutaminase. Firstly, we're going to see amylase. Okay, amylase enzyme is a hydrolytic enzyme that breaks down starch into dextrin and sugar. Helps in extend the shelf life of baking product. Amylase also improve the fermentation and produce maltose and glucose from starch. It accelerates yeast fermentation and boosts dough expansion during proofing and baking. If you see the picture below, you can see the difference between the control and the addition of amylase enzyme. Finally, flavors in the crust color of the bread by enhancing Maillard browning and caramelization reaction. The formula of amylase will be like starch will convert into dextrin and the dextrin will convert into maltose. Okay, protease. Protease is a catalysis, the hydrolysis of protein, breaking down peptide bond between amino acids. Protein act as a dough conditioner and modifies dough rheology. Soften the gluten and become elastic so it can retain more gas. Protein slightly increase dough thickness, gluten breakdown and water distribution among the flour. Lipase. Lipase is a hydrolytic enzyme for degrading or modifying non-polar to non-polar and polar lipids. Example, triglyceride and phospholipid. The converting insoluble triglyceride into more soluble product such as glycerol and fatty acid that can easily be metabolized for energy generation. Polar lipids in flour with lipase enzyme addition of water, it will convert to lysolipid, which is help as a strong emulsifier. Lipooxygenase. Lipooxygenase is an oxidative improving agent to bleach pigment in dough, creating a whiter loaf. And it's a co-oxidized with flour protein to improve the dough rheology. It makes the dough to strengthen the gluten form. Picture above, where the control is have a small gas retention and the whiter is less than the lipogenase enzyme loaf. Last is transglutaminase. Transglutaminase is a natural enzyme which catalyzes cross-linking reaction between wheat and other proteins. In a wheat gluten, it is used to increase the volume and improve the structure of the bread. In frozen dough, it helps to increase the dough stability and protect it from damaging. Transglutaminase is an alternative enzyme to chemical oxidizing agent. It helps to enhance the rheological properties of the dough by stabilizing pore size and elasticity. It will have an impact on the sensory properties of bread, where texture and the increase the loaf of the volume. That's all from me. Thank you.